If you snore heavily, chances are good that you have sleep apnea like 20 million other Americans. Sleep apnea causes hypertension, heart disease, stroke, fatigue, headaches, memory loss, depression, rapid weight gain, erectile dysfunction, and irritability. So, if you're a heavy snorer, you need to find out if you have sleep apnea. You could be in danger from a lot of things you never imagined. Call 1-888-33-SNORE and take a free apnea screening on the phone, because everyone's entitled to a good night's sleep.